Hello everyone, my name is Tarek and welcome to Whizlabs. Today I am going to show you why you should choose Whizlabs as your learning partner when preparing for AWS Certified Developer Certification. Assuming you have a background in IT, this could be your first step toward cloud computing, and thus choosing the right partner is really important. Let me now take you to our platform and show you how you can take our AWS Certified Developer course. So we'll go to whizlabs.com, we'll go to courses, in the cloud computing, Amazon AWS, and go to AWS Certified Developer Associate. This AWS Certified Developer Associate certification exam validates your proficiency in developing, deploying, and debugging cloud-based application using AWS and some basic AWS architecture best practices. As you can see that this course has already been taken by almost 25,000 people and has a rating of 4.7 stars, so that tells something for itself, right? Let me now show you the ratings and testimonials that we've got from our learners. Here, isn't this amazing? Still wondering whether to take this course or not? Here are the few highlights for you. 13 full-length mock tests that accounts for over 800 plus unique questions. Online video tutorials with over 21 hours of video content covering all the aspects of the exam. Sectional quizzes so that you can better prepare for topics like DynamoDB, AWS Lambda, and API Gateway. Access to hands-on labs to practice whatever you've learned, and at the end is the expert support to connect you to the AWS experts who can answer all your queries and doubts. If you're still confused, hover down to our FAQ section. This section has basic information about the exam and the product, like what's inside the course, technical information like what are the most and the least important topics for the exam, general information about the certification like benefits of the certification, how to apply for it, and things like that, payment and bulk discount information, and at the end, in case you have more queries, reach out to our support. Now let me play a video for you that would give you a deeper insight on the course.
Hello and welcome to AWS Certified Developer Associate course by Whizlabs. I am Shiva, your instructor for this course along with Ninad. If you're a developer and would like to learn how to develop applications on AWS Cloud, be it web applications using Lambdas, S3's API gateways, or develop microservices using EKS and ECS Dockers, or if you want to pursue your career in AWS Cloud, as AWS certified candidates are in high demand and one of the highly valued certification currently in the market, or your organization is planning to implement AWS Cloud and you're looking to obtain certification to grow in your organization's career path, or if you're simply curious to learn Amazon Web Services, you are in the right place. We at Whizlabs have created the videos in this course such that getting you past the exam is not the only intention. Passing is just the tip of the iceberg. The main intention behind this course and our effort is to make you well equipped with knowledge required to develop applications seamlessly on AWS Cloud using AWS Cloud Native Services as much as possible. And when you do that, you're saving a lot of efforts and money for your organization, and you become the go-to person for building cloud native applications. We believe that if you understand this technology and its concepts clearly, it will help you transform yourself from being a traditional application developer to AWS developer. Remember that nobody can be a master at all the AWS services. It's just not possible. AWS keeps adding number of services every year. However, if you understand how AWS operates and how some of its fundamental services work, you will have the proper mindset when it comes to developing applications on AWS Cloud, how to effectively use different services based on the requirements, and help your organization in their cloud transformation journey by providing cloud native solutions instead of just lifting and shifting applications from on-premise to cloud. So are you ready to hop along on the journey to become AWS Certified Developer Associate? Then come join us.
Great, I hope that was helpful. Still in doubt? Well, you can take a free practice test without paying for anything and then decide whether to purchase this course or not. Let me show you how. Go to Access Now and it will ask you to log in. If you have an account, log in with it or just sign up for one. You can also log in with your Google, Facebook or LinkedIn account. So I'll log in with my account and see you on the other side. This is how things look once you're logged in. And before I proceed, I must tell you that you can access our Whizlabs platform across any iOS or Android device, so you can learn on the go. Coming back, here we have different tabs to access different sections of the course. The online course tab contains all the video lectures. These video lectures cover each topic that feature an exam in extreme detail to make sure that you are 100% prepared before you take the exam. The total duration of the video course is over 21 hours. To access the hands-on lab, go to the Labs tab. You would see a comprehensive collection of hands-on practice labs. Let's open one by clicking Start. So here you have lab details, the task that you need to perform, and the time duration. So this is more like a sandbox environment that Whizlabs provide you to play around and practice. Coming back to our free test, let's go to Practice Test Lab. Here you can see 5 full-length tests which are aligned with 2019 version of the exam, and then down below are the sectional tests. You even have access to the old tests that are 2018 version of the exam. Now let's click here to start our exam. Here you see some general instructions about the exam like number of questions, time allotted, maximum marks, and the passing percentage. Now let's start our exam. You would be given a prompt to start your exam in practice mode. So practice mode is a special feature provided by Whizlabs that lets you see the correct answer of any questions right there itself. I'll show you what I mean. Let's start our quiz in practice mode. Once inside the test, this is how the console looks. You have your question over here, your options down below. You have your timer running here, but since we started our quiz in practice mode, we don't see it. Here we have a grid of number that lets us traverse through any question, so I can easily move from one question to another. It also shows the domain from which the question is, so this really helps engaging your performance in a particular domain. If you're confused about any answer to any question, or if there's a question that would need more time, you can mark that question for review using this Mark for Review radio button, and a red circle would appear around that question, and you can always come back to it once you're done with the rest of your exam. You see this Show Answer button over here? This is what starting the quiz in practice mode provides us. Whizlabs anyway provides you with correct answer and explanation at the end of the test. But if you are in final stages of your preparation and don't want to wait for the test to end, you can start your quiz in practice mode and view the correct answer of any questions right there itself. Now let's answer a few questions and submit our test to see the summary which we get at the end of the test. Alright, let's submit our test and see our summary. Once you submit the test, you are taken to this report card page of yours. At the top is the concise report that tells you the number of attempts you have taken for this particular test, marks obtained in this test, your score, time taken, and your final result. Scroll down below and you have a domain-wise breakup of your exam, which shows how many questions came from which domain, how many you got correct, how many you got incorrect, and how many you just didn't attempt. Scroll below more and you have a detailed review of each question. Whizlabs provide you the correct answer and a detailed explanation for the same. Using this filter over here, you can choose what kind of question would you like to review. If there's an ambiguity related to any question or you are not satisfied with the answer, you can reach out to our AWS experts by clicking Ask the Expert button over here. You need to select the type of query you have and provide the detailed explanation for the same, and we will reach back to you. You can also provide the feedback for any question using these emojis. If you found that a particular question was actually helpful, you can select this happy emoji, tell us what you liked, and submit. Similarly, if you didn't like the question or found it to be irrelevant or you had any other concern, Select this sad emoji and tell us about it. Whizlabs also provide you a completion certificate, but you need to complete all the video lectures and hands-on lab to get that. Well, this was all about us, and I hope we at Whizlabs were able to clear all your doubts and answer all your queries, and that you have decided to choose us as your learning partner. If so, sign up for an account and start your cloud computing journey with us. Wishing you all the best for your future.